Hey everybody, Scott Chanel here. This is my good stewardship presentation for Aviation 360. Sorry I'm a little late, but better late than never. For my presentation, I decided to talk about a company named Capital Land and Livestock. Capital Land and Livestock is a cattle and animal buy, sell, and trade company, and they do this all over the U.S. Pictured here is Mr. Jim Schwertner. He's the second generation owner of the company. His dad actually started the company, but really ever since Mr. Jim here was a child, he's seen his dad use aviation to beat his competitors. And he would do that by, as soon as he would find out about animals being for sale in Texas on the other side of the state from them, he would simply go to their local airport and charter a small little plane to fly him across the state in just a few hours. And he could then meet up with the owner of the animal and make a deal and be back home. And he said he would have a deal in hand and be home before his competitors would even finish the drive across the state. And so that's how they began using aviation in their industry to get started with. Now they have began using it a little bit differently. And Jim is now able to utilize their Robinson R-66 helicopter, and they use that to survey their some 20,000 acres for downed fences, for sick or missing cattle, and also they use it to inspect leaky equipment that may be giving water to their animals. According to the owner, the company goes to 225 auctions every week. They load 50 cattle trucks a day and have them shipped to their ranch. And he's quoted in saying that they do $3 million of business every day, turn over 100% of their inventory in every 24-hour period. And they are able to utilize their Cessna Citation CJ1 and CJ2 for corporate transportation to accomplish the needs that they have. And they also, like I said, have the R-66 helicopter to meet other needs. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the rest of the class.